Next thing up. I like how you're predicting what's next. He's not the worst backupper we have today. So, he's not good at backing up because you put that pressure on, he gets a little light in the front end, don't he? All right, but if you have him off center, now you can start feeling confident to put more pressure on him, right? Because what's he gonna do? Do that and then end up getting flexed back, right back to the right side? So, it's putting the ball in your court. Now he wants to put his head down and back.